Hello class. This lesson will show you how to sort and filter data in an Excel worksheet. My name is Bill Berquist and I'll be your instructor for this lesson. As always, please contact your instructor if you have any questions. Sorting Excel data. In Excel, sorting data means to arrange a column or list of information in a meaningful fashion. Most of the time, this means to arrange data in alphabetical order by using text, number, and date keys or column headings. Data in Excel can be sorted either by single or multiple columns. Ascending sorts are ABC order and descending sorts are CBA order. By the same token, numbers and dates are sorted either in largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Filtering Excel data. Worksheet data can also be filtered in Excel. Filtering means to extract data from the worksheet list. Example, in a list of sales for the year, you only want to see sales from January. In this case, a filter would be applied in the date of sale column. Filtering data can be applied by clicking Sort and Filter on the Home tab on the ribbon. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, everybody, here we are at a Simple City Technical College Microsoft Office Specialist Exam Results Excel spreadsheet. We're going to talk a little bit about sorting and filtering. Okay, I have a real simple list here. Whenever I look at a new worksheet for the first time, I always kind of go through it, see what I'm dealing with. Looks like I got about a 155 list here. Let's do some basic functions. I want to see the number of passed exams, failed exams. Over here I have to do an if statement to see if they passed or failed. What's the minimum score to pass a Microsoft Office Specialist exam? 700. So equals if the score, and that's what's called a structured cell reference, because I clicked the cell, is greater than or equal to 700, comma, they pass. Actual words I gotta put in quotation marks, comma, otherwise they fail, and that's in quotation marks as well. There we go. And it filled it down automatically because I used the structured cell reference. Okay, now I can get past exams. I'll use the equals count if function. Count it if it equals the word pass. And I'm going to highlight all the way down. I'm holding the shift key down and down arrow. There we go. There's my function. Comma, pass. Okay, so in that whole range right there, only count the ones that are pass. Okay, 107 passed. Failed is the same thing. Equals count if. And then drag this down. See how that builds it right there in cell B6? See that? That's called pointing. There we go. And I see the word point right down there. And then comma, fail. Okay, so 107 passed, 41 fail. Total exams, just add these two numbers together. This plus this. I don't need to use AutoSum. You only use AutoSum for a range of numbers, not for just two numbers. And you can, but it's just a little overkill. Okay, 148 exams. Okay, what percent passed and what percent failed? Basically, we take the number of passed exams, which is 107, and divide it by the total. All right, so 107 divided by 148. So equals B5 / 148, and then equals 41 divided by 148. Oops. Alright, so equals B6 divided by B7. And there are my, I'm going to change it to percent. Maybe give it a 1 decimal. Okay, so we have a pass rate of 72.3% and a fail rate of 27.7%. If something happens, if I change it over here, oh whoops, I don't want to do that. I'll change this to 650, which is a failing grade. This updates automatically. Let's see, I'll make this one 800. There we go. Okay, looks good. Now let's talk about sorting the exams. Sometimes you want to sort them. So I'm going to click, you can click anywhere. Let's say I want to sort the records by name. You can just simply right click and then sort and pick A to Z. There we go. And all the A's, all the B's, all the C's. If I want to sort it by score, I can right click, go to sort, largest to smallest. That'll bring the highest score to the top. That's a descending sort. On the certification exam, you're going to get ascending and descending. Ascending is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Descending is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, largest to smallest is descending. Smallest to largest is ascending. Okay, looks good. I can sort it by exam. Sort A to Z. There we go. Access is first. You can sort it by program if you want. Sort A to Z. Now the long way to do it is you do have a sort button up here in the ribbon. In fact, you might want to use the ribbon because you really need to know your ribbon for the certification test. You don't want to spend a lot of time looking around for something. Oh, is it here? Is it over here? Is it down here? Okay, so I'll go back to home and there's your sort right there. Now what if you want to sort by multiple columns? I want to sort it by program, then by exam. Okay, so primarily by program, then by exam. So I can right click, or actually let's go up to the sort button. Okay, so let's go ahead and sort the list by program, then by exam. So I'm going to go up here to sort and filter. Make sure your cursor is anywhere in the table. Doesn't matter where. You don't have to highlight anything. And I'm going to go to custom sort. There we go. I want to sort by program, A to Z, and then add level. Then by, what did I say, exam, and then A to Z, where you can pick whatever you want. Okay. All right, I'll hit OK. And now it's sorted. Okay, all the accesses, all the Excels, all the PowerPoints. Then when it goes to a new one, it starts with access again. So it's primarily sorted by program, secondarily by exam. And you can sort by as many levels as you want. Let's do one more custom sort here. I want to sort it by program, then by date taken. Okay, so I'll go to sort and custom sort. Let's see, program, and then date taken. And I'll do newest to oldest. Okay, so A to Z for the program, newest to oldest would be descending for date taken. There we go. And it's sorted by program. Then we have all the dates, and the dates start with the newest and then work our way down. All right, so that's a little bit about sorting and doing a custom sort on multiple levels. Multiple levels, you will get that on the certification test. You go to sort and filter, which is on the home tab, and custom sort. And if you want to add a level, just keep hitting add level. You can add as many levels as columns are in the worksheet. Okay. There's an option. I don't think you'll need that for the certification test, but there it is just in case. Know the entire dialog box a little bit. Okay, all right, I'll hit cancel there. All right, then the other topic is filtering. Okay, let's say I only want to see access exams. So I can go to sort with the cursor anywhere in the worksheet. I'll go to sort and filter and pick filter. And I get these little triangles over here. Okay, I only want to see word exams. So you can click here. What I do is all these are showing right now. I just do select all and then click word, and boom, just word exams. And it has it down here how many records were extracted. 54 out of 148 records were found. Okay, and you can keep filtering. I want to see word exams that were all passing. Go over here, get rid of fail, uncheck fail, hit OK. There we go. I only want to see word exams that are passed in the month of May. So I can go to date taken and check these, just May. There we go. 14 word exams were taken in May and they were all passed. Okay. To clear the filter, I can just, if I have multiple levels set, I can go to sort and filter and pick clear. And that looks good. Okay. I want to see scores that are over 900, between 900 and 1,000. Okay. So I can go over here to score and go to my drop down arrow, number filters, and I can pick between. Yeah, between 900 and 1,000. There we go, and 24 records meet that criteria. Always double check it. On the certification test, once they have you apply a filter or a sort, they'll probably have you save the file so they can check the file to make sure it's sorted properly. Alright, but that looks good. I only want to see scores that are between 900 and 1,000 that are PowerPoint. So I can click over here, PowerPoint, and boom, there we are. What about 9 or 10? 7. Okay. Alright, looks good. I'll clear the filter. And all the records are back. Okay. All the records are back. You can also do starts with, like let's say I want to see all the student names that begin with the letter M. The last name starts with the letter M. I can go to my filter button over here, text filters, and I'm going to pick begins with, and I'll type in, oops, alright, let's do a capital M, hit OK, and everybody's last name begins with the letter M. Martinez, McGill, McCool, McDowdy, McDell, Martinez, McAllister. Okay, looks good. Let me clear that. Alright, now you can also do between two dates. Okay, like I can go to my date taken column and click over here, date filters, and I have all these choices in here. I'll do this month. It's probably none because it's 25. It's the year 2025. Okay, let me find another one here. Let's see. This quarter, probably still none. Let me do, let's see, May and June. And you can expand it out. There we go. And we're good. Didn't have any for June, that's okay. I'll do everybody except April. Yeah, they might have you do that. Let me bring back all the records real quick. They might have you like extract records except something. Like I want to see all the exams except Outlook. I don't want to see any Outlook. You can go to exam and just uncheck Outlook. There we go, 133 records. Okay, and I don't see any Outlooks in there. Alright, so I'm going to stop here. That's a little bit about sorting on a single column, sorting on multiple columns, doing a basic filter, I'm doing a filtering on dates, filtering on numbers, okay, filtering on text. All right, you will have filtering questions on your certification test. Just know that everything's on the Home tab, and then Sort and Filter is right up here. And I'll turn off the filter, and all the triangles go away, and all my records are back. All right, we'll stop here, and I'll see you for the next video.